Since there are different numbers of days in months during the year, when calculating a date that will happen after a certain number of months, you cannot simply add 30, 60 or, respectively, 120 days to a given date. The result will be incorrect. To solve this problem, you should use the edata function. The function has two arguments, the start date and the number of months after which you need to determine the date. Do not forget to change the date format for the corresponding cells. Well, if the date needs to be calculated not in the future, but in the past, then the number of months in the function argument is set with a minus sign. Rate this video if you find it useful, subscribe to the channel and see you in new videos.